Hello guys, today I want to do an interesting and very beautiful question for you. Actually, at first let me say the source of the question. The source of the question is for entrance exam of actually Iran, if I don't make mistake. It is for entrance exam, and the question says that if we have actually function f of x equals x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 minus 9x plus 5, then find the maximum value of f of x in brackets minus 2 till 2. Actually, I'm in positive 2. Let's see how should we solve this problem. Okay, let's at first I describe about derivative in actually graphs. Let's I just draw a graph here. Yeah. So this is a graph. Actually, not graph. Here. Here, for example, is a graph, and it goes like this. Here, this point and this point. Okay. We say to this point it is maximum value of the actually graph. Why? Because the f of x is greater than any f of x that is actually behind or after this point. And let's, for example, I put a line on this, and the slope of line is 0. Okay. Yes. Actually, yeah, it is 0. And the minimum of this graph is here. At this point. Why? Because it is greater and greater? No. It is actually smallest. From the negative part we say smallest. It is smallest value of the f of x. If I want to name, for example, this f of x, these two guys are not the same. This f of x, and let's say this is g of x. And this is the smallest value of g of x, and we're comparing from behind and front points. This is the minimum of this function, and the slope of that is 0 too. So at first, this slope is derivative of function at this point. I should find the derivative of this function and put it equal 0 because the slope is 0. I want the max value, the slope of that is 0. So at first I should find the derivative. F prime x is going to be x to the power 3. The derivative of that is 3x to the power 2 minus 3 multiplied by derivative of x to the power 2 is going to be 2x. I write the formula of this, what I'm going to do. If you have, for example, let's write it here. Yeah, no. For example, y is u to the power n. The derivative of this expression is going to be n multiplied by u power n minus 1. I'm doing this here. and the minus 9x here. Power is 1 multiplied by 1, and x to the power n minus 1, n is 1 power here, and 1 minus 1 is 0, that is 1. X to the power anything actually 0 is 1 if x isn't actually doesn't equal to, and it actually is not equal to infinite and 0, because these two guys are undefined. So, and the derivative of constant actually number is 0 plus 0. And I say that the slope is 0, so we should put it equal 0 to find actually these points, max values. So we will reach to 3 to the 3x to the power 2 minus 6x minus 9 equals 0. Let's simplify this and actually divide it by 3. X to the power 2 minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So let's open actually this expression. We want two numbers that the multiplying of them actually is minus 3, and the sum of them is minus 2. So minus 3 and plus 1, I think they are good. Minus 3 multiplied by 1 is going to be minus 3, yes, and the sum of them is minus 2. And if we do this, we will reach to x1 is equal to 3 and x2 equals to minus 1. So we will we reach to actually these guys, actually max values, but we want the actually maximum value. I mean just we have one maximum value. We should put these guys into the function and see which of them is the biggest one, actually compare with each other. And it says in minus 2 and 2, so here this guy is not good at all, because it is actually it says between these two guys, minus 2 and 2. 3 is not between these and is not okay, but minus 1, yeah, it is good. And we will actually see these two guys too. Actually, that's x3 is 2 and x. So as I was saying, because these two numbers are in brackets, we should see them, and maybe there are maximum values. Let's just mention this on the graph too. For example, you have this, and this is h of x, for example. Because these two guys are in brackets, we should see them. If they were in parentheses, it wasn't important actually to see and calculate them. And this point that is here is the maximum value of actually h of x. Maybe they can be, actually we should test them and put them in f of x. So let's start with minus 1. F of minus 1 is going to be minus 1 to the power 3 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 to the power 2 minus 9 minus 1 plus 5. So this is minus 1, this is 1, this is minus 1, and plus 9 and plus 5. Okay. And f of 2 is going to be, let's simplify this, minus 4 plus 14, that would be 10. Okay, f of minus 1 is 10. Let's see these two guys. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2 minus 9 multiplied by 2 plus 5. So this is going to be 8 minus 12 minus 18 plus 5. That is 13 minus, actually, this guy, and this is negative. Actually, this is smaller than this guy, so this is the maximum value again, and this guy is not actually good for us now. And f of minus 2, let's see, this guy, I put just minus 2 instead of minus 3 minus 2 to the power 2 minus 9 minus 2 plus 5. Yeah. Minus 8 minus 12 plus 18 plus 5. This is going to be minus 20 plus 23, that would be 3. Okay, actually again 10 is bigger than 3, so this guy is not acceptable too, and this actually minus 2 is not acceptable, this 2 is not acceptable too, and the acceptable part is 10, that is f of minus 1. So the maximum value of f of x in minus 2 and 2 actually brackets is going to be minus, no, why I'm saying minus, is going to be 10. Yeah, and this was the question of today. Okay guys, this was the question of today, and hope you like it and enjoy. That actually I think it was so enjoyable in my opinion. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel and hit that bell that is next to the subscribe button, and for more videos, and you're the first one who is going to see the video. And as I always say, wish you the best things, and until my next video, bye bye. Hello guys, today I want to do an interesting and very beautiful, louder. Okay guys, this was the question of today. Thank you for your watching, and I hope that it is so enjoyable. And why you were laughing? Okay guys, this was the question of today, and I hope you like it and enjoy that. in my opinion it was so enjoyable. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos, and you're going to be the first one. Actually, if you hit that bell that is next to the subscribe button, you're going to be the first one who is going to see our videos, and you're the first one if we upload the videos. And yeah. Okay guys, this was the question of today. Thank you for your watching, and I hope you like that